Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm feeling very itchy because I don't want to be gross, but I went in the forest to pee, right? And there was just these mosquitoes everywhere. And they're just like about to eat me. And I think they've stung me a couple of times. I just feel so itchy. Damn, y'all, like these mosquitoes are back. And they just ain't playing games, like at all. And I think one of them bit me up here because I'm feeling quite itchy. And then one of them bit me like on my shoulders. Ooh, not fun. Damn it, not fun at all. I hate the mosquitoes. So today we've got the delicious cheesy curly fries with ranch on the side. I love their ranch, guys. I don't know what it is, but the ranch is always delicious. And I've got a crowd watching me, aka a whole bunch of seagulls that are showing up. I think I got like 5 seagulls here. 4 or 5. Yeah, they're showing up here. And there was a crow, but I don't know where he went. Oops. So anyways, I'm super hungry, guys. I haven't eaten yet. I mean, I had breakfast, but now it's like lunchtime, I think. It's like 3 or 4. Yummy. Just freaking amazing. Yum. I love their ranch. Man, I'm feeling so itchy. Definitely bit me right here. And on my back shoulder. Maybe even on my hip. I'm just feeling way too itchy. Ooh. Gosh dang it. I wasn't even in the forest for that long. Just quick, easy in and out. I've got my water to drink. And I've got my Arizona mango flavor, 99 cents. Sorry, I'm like looking at this seagull. Yeah, I'm sorry guys if I'm itching a lot. It's because these freaking mosquitoes. I need to stop thinking about them. But oof, man, not fun. That just means summer is literally right around the corner. And this is hot too. This was like $8. Sometimes it's really cheap. I think. I don't know anymore. Or maybe it was just the regular fries, not the cheesy ones that was cheaper. Probably. I'm sorry. It's gonna be a messy video. Should I throw one to these birds? Oh, okay. Got like a whole crowd. Can you guys see them? Okay. You can hear them. Shh. Stop. Don't call the whole family. And they want to call everybody and their mama. They've got a whole crowd over here. I was thinking of doing a mukbang outside, but it's really windy today. Like, it's beautiful out, but it's super windy. Okay, this one's right on my car. Okay, you want to crawl in here too? Let's see if one of them will actually crawl in here. Should we test it out and see if they will? Come. Let's see if this one will. There's one right in front of me. Come on, here. Come. Okay, I'll look away. Don't make eye contact. Okay. You can have that one. He's so cute. They put less curly fries. I feel like usually they put a lot more. Man. This is my go-to place for curly fries. I got nachos last time here, if you guys remember those loaded nachos. I didn't like them. There was too much lettuce in there. It felt like a taco salad or something. I do want to try other places. It's just today I didn't really want to stop anywhere because I'm meeting my friend again. I was just hanging out with her, but then I went to go and grab a bite to eat. And she's at the park with her kid. With my stomach, ignore my stomach. I'm so hungry. Tap. I've got this seagull over here just watching my every move. Seagulls are cute. I love seagulls. They know every time somebody stops, they're eating food. I heard that crows can recognize a person's car, so... Oh, my stomach. I'm sorry, guys. If you hear my stomach growling, please ignore it. Today's video is a lot of messy eating. I wish I could just show you how cute this crow is staring at me. Oh, oh, okay. The other one just stole it from my hand. Watch. Watch, watch. Okay then. Wow. Not afraid at all. Okay. Cool. Cool. They're getting friendlier and friendlier, guys. I hope they don't trust the wrong person. What if someone wants to harm them one day? You know? Mm-hmm. Yum. She just pecked the bird out of the way. The other bird. Oh, okay. Ooh, oh, don't scratch my car, please. They have nails? I didn't know they had nails. Wait, they don't have webbed feet. I think I'm confusing them with... Do they have webbed feet? They do. Oh, they do, but they also have little claws, nails. You guys want to see if I can get another bird to eat from my hand? What's this one? Okay. I also spit on you, too. Good. I got these birds trained, y'all. This is a flimsy fork. I need to, like, get my own fork. Yum. Goodness. Goodness and goodness. I wonder if I can get a bird to chill in here with me. Just sit next to me. I wish you could see this bird right here in front of me. He's sitting on my car. He's so cute. Hold on. The other bird keeps wanting to come up here. Okay, fine. Ooh. Okay. Okay, okay. Let's calm down. Okay, I gotta stop throwing it on my car because he's gonna scratch it. They have little claws, so don't go on my window. That's all. Thank you. Excuse me. Oh, they're fighting for who gets the spot on the car. Okay. Oh. Well, the other guy got pushed off by this younger one was looking like she's about to start a fight. Here. Oh, that was a total fail. Okay. Having too much fun, guys. I want to see if can you see? Oh, okay. Yeah, you can definitely see. And these guys ain't scared of nothing. Let me tell you that much. Okay, shh. Okay, okay. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little bit sidetracked from these birds. Why can't they just be nice with one another? Why? Now we've got, is this the same bird? Yes, it is. The younger one. I think the younger ones are the ones that are more gray in color. And then the older ones are obviously white, like they're supposed to be. I think I want to do some research on seagulls. I've been always wanting to, like, I wonder if there's documentaries on seagulls. Right? There has to be. I'm trying to think. Try not to scratch because I'm so itchy. Excuse me. That crow left. She's long gone. I love cheesy curly fries, but they also get soggy fast, so it's good to eat them as soon as you can. Because they do get soggy quickly. Okay, I'm going to put this down for a little bit. I hope y'all don't mind. And I'm trying to get... They're switching spots, these guys. I thought there was a bird on my car, I guess not. Okay, I'm starting to get a little full. I'm going to take one final bite. Juicy, juicy bite. With lots of ranch. Look at that. I do have 2 cups of ranch, but I only ate 1 today, so. Yum. You can never go wrong with ranch. I don't know if this is homemade, but they have the best ranch. The best. Look at this bird, guys. I gotta show you. He wants food, so I'm gonna throw him a treat. Oh, that one almost ate my finger. He's cute, but one of them, like, if I stick my hand out, it automatically thinks it's food. Okay, calm down, calm down. Y'all are like some trained cats and dogs or something. One of them almost bit my finger off because they gave him a tiny little piece. Oh, I'm full. It is safe to say I am full. Should I show you guys clips of these birds? Would you be interested to see them eat from my hand? I'm trying to see if I can grab something here first. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. I don't know what I'm doing with myself. Oh, I got a ball for the dogs. Let's see what they want, a ball. Nope, they know the difference between a ball and a piece of food. Cool. Man, seagulls are smart. Like, for the most part, they are smart. They know when somebody stops in their car, that means they're eating. They're just really, really small. How cute he is? Okay, let's see if I can give them a piece of meat or fry. Ooh, I dirtied my car window. I need to clean that in a bit. But I want to see if I can give them pieces of meat here or fries, but they're all cheesied up. Ooh. Will they eat from my hand? Or do they prefer it sticking out? Okay. Come! Ooh, woof, damn. Scary. They've got some big beaks. Look at them. They're so cute. Hi. Hello. Dang, they brought their whole family here. Hello. Got their whole family here. Got this one. Just got scared of my camera. Just chilling. Cute as hell. Let's see if I can get one more piece of french fry for them. Okay. Ooh, he got it. Ooh. Hi. Hello. What's up my car causing chaos? You? One of you guys are in my car. Okay guys, we're gonna give them one more feeding. Let's see who would want this one. Oof. Okay. Is that delicious? Yes. Delicious. Guys, will they be brave? We've got a contender. Ooh. We've got a contender. There's some more left. You got it? Come and get it. Right there. This one's braving it.